Hello, this is Sharon Naraine, and I'm coming to you here from the gorgeous, gorgeous Claremont, Sunshine State, Florida. Let's see, I have to put this thing down. And folks, I just left this supermarket, as a matter of fact. Yes. So let me careful coming out here. Have all these elderly folks doing their shopping, so I might as well be very, very careful with them. Yes. So folks, here's the deal. Oh my goodness. Here's the deal, folks. I just left the supermarket, okay? Now it's like what, 4:26? You know, some of you probably now getting off work. Or no, maybe you work from 9 to 5. You still have at least a half an hour more. Okay, but kudos to you and kudos to those of you who are their own boss, like I am. So at this time, I can, go do shopping to the grocery store with comfort. Folks, so here's the deal. I will drop some links. Okay, first of all, if you could hit the bell, I will greatly appreciate that. And as well as if you could click the subscribe button. If you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be great as well. And I will also put all the links of all the business. I have a few of them, which folks, in this day and age, multiple streams of income is the way to go. Okay, multiple streams of income. It's beautiful here, so the noise, I have my windows down. Soaking in all the nice breeze going home. So folks, back to what I was going to say to you is that having multiple streams of income is the way to go these days. Okay, because every one of them will generate and it adds up. It does add up. So I have a few of them. Besides, I am a realtor, consultant, folks. I can do any real estate business here, as well as I can do it all across the continental USA. I can find you an agent, okay? In our team, we do have connected to agents all across the continental USA. So if you do, just want you to know that I am doing so many stuff because I'm at home. Hey, look, listen, I just dropped my husband off the dialysis, and then I went to go pick up some fruits, some basically fruits, yeah, not much of groceries, things to cook, but it's like fruits. We love mangoes, pineapples, raspberries and strawberries are in season now, so I bought a bunch, a good set. So we make smoothie as well, So, oh, it is beautiful. I love this breeze. So folks, what I'm trying to say to you is that this is all possible once you're your own boss, okay? So you can go to fastcashwithsharon.com. Fast, FASTCASH, with Sharon.com, and as well as you can go to Create Wealth, CREATEWEALTH, with Sharon.com. So fastcashwithsharon.com, Create Wealth with Sharon.com. I am also in the Newbies on Fire, and I'm also with Total Life Changes, folks. Oh my, that's another one. Oh my goodness. In the health and wellness company. But what I will do, I will put all my links, and folks, definitely you need to check them out. Definitely you need to sign up. Definitely you want to be your own boss. Definitely multiple streams of income is the way to go. Definitely you want to be there to do your shopping, to do your stuff, to be there for your loved ones. If they're sick, take care. I am a full-time, caregiver for my mom as well. All right, I'm taking care of my mom now that I get like an aide now coming to help out whilst I do my other stuff. So folks, you need to check me out. Call me 352-805-9846. Again, 352-805-9846. And you can text me as well. 352-805-9846. Oh, this light takes a long time. I'm close to home, folks. So yes, and with all these businesses that I'm in, folks, you know, you have training and support as well. We have Facebook group or private group, and we all help each other out. You have a question or two besides me, you can text me. That's why I said I give my phone number. You can text me, you can call me. I'm very transparent, and I'm definitely here, willing, ready, and able to show you, to teach you, to coach you how easy it is to make extra income, all from the comfort of your home. Of course, the stay home, it's really, really, good for the stay home moms, stay home dads, as well as, retirees, as well as, college kids, and then as well as entrepreneurs as well. You want to add an extra income stream, this is the way to go. So I do have, yes, the light change, so let me hurry over. So you do need to check me out, folks. Okay, you do need, you go to my health and wellness website, which is weight, WEIGHTLOSS, withsharon.com, and that's weight loss with Sharon.com. Okay, folks, oh my, I am having an amazing time in my life, besides all the the trials and testings we're going through. My dad passed away, mommy got stroke, besides my sister-in-law passed away, and then now my husband is on dialysis, folks. Let me tell you, it is what it is. But that doesn't mean that, when life situation comes, you're gonna panic, you're not gonna do anything. Of course not, because, the bills gotta pay, right? I just went to buy some fruits. It came up to like $56 and change. Okay, you gotta eat, you gotta do things. So folks, I am gonna pull in my driveway here now. Thank you for accompanying me home. Alright, don't forget to hit the bell, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, folks, and God bless. Here I am. Boom, I'm at home. Okay, my legs up. Okie dokie, folks. There I am at home. If I can slip this out real quick. Yes. Ta-da! There I am, home sweet home. See that? I am at home. Oh my, we had so many leaves. So many leaves. I'm trying to get back into my gardening. Look at all these leaves that we got, that came down from the tree. All these, we gotta put them out. See how many leaves we got here, folks? Oh, the boots. All right. So again, peace out, Sharon and Rain. Take care. God bless, and I shall see you at the top. Can't wait to welcome you into our team. Take care. Bye.